Hello, friends. Thank you so much for pressing play. I'm so glad that you are here. My name is Laura. Welcome to another video. We're just going to get ready together, which has been like all my videos. I'm just feeling like hanging out with you and chatting. I'm not doing anything crazy per usual. I do have the fireplace going because I'm freezing. So if you hear that, I'm sorry, but I'm so cold. I'm so cold. I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna show you how to take my sad, very pale face to looking a little bit more alive with very minimal products. I have products in my little basket here, and yeah, we're gonna do something a little bit different. Not really, it's pretty much the same look that I always have, but I'm gonna just do it anyway. So maybe if you come across this video and you want a little inspiration for an everyday makeup look, this is for you, so just keep watching. Here we go. I am gonna take my Aquaphor, which if you have very dry skin, putting Aquaphor like under your eyes, around your like smile lines before you do anything really helps with keeping the product on. And also, like, my under eyes are so dry, dude. Like, I put product on, 3 seconds later it's all crusted, and oh my god, my under eyes are so dry. So having a little bit more moisture is so helpful. So yeah, first step. Next, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to use the Blur Screen Primer from NYX. I just love this packaging, but I haven't really used this, and I thought today would be a good day. It's very lotiony, but yeah, we'll put this on as well. But it has a nice SPF. It's very thick. I might have used a little too much, but if you want a little SPF action, this is for you. I feel like I have a lot on my face. I also put a tanning oil in my moisturizer this morning because, girl, I need a tan. I need a little bit of something. I'm so upset I didn't get to go away this winter to someplace warm, but that's okay. There's always next year. I am going away with my girlfriends, but we're not going anywhere warm, but we're going somewhere for my birthday, which is coming up. It's the big 40th birthday coming up. I couldn't even say it. It's gonna be okay. That's coming up February 19th, so I'm gonna be going away that next weekend with my girlfriends. We're gonna have some fun in like an Airbnb, and yeah, maybe I will take you along with me. Oh, duh. I have laundry going, and I'm like, what was that noise? I like the feel of that sunscreen. It's like a little sticky, but not too much. It just feels really nice. I'm gonna follow it up. I used this in the last 3 videos that I posted, I think. This is the NYX Soft Glow Tint. I'm not gonna use a ton of this, but I just want a little bit where I have some redness, but this is really pretty. So pretty. I did order the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Is it still Anastasia Beverly Hills or just Anastasia? The new foundation that people are just like loving. I have to try it. I have to try it. It looks like something that I would really like, which is why I'm trying it out. I have to wash this brush so badly. Alright, I'm just popping that everywhere. What a nice cooling effect going on my face. I don't know if it was that primer, but it feels really nice, whatever it was. I put a little curl in my hair today. I feel like this came out way better than it did the other day when I tried to do it. But yeah, this is like day 3 hair, day 4 hair where I haven't washed it. So I'm feeling a little wild. I'm gonna go in with my Catrice Melted Sun Cream Bronzer. This is what brings the face to life. I like to take some and warm it up on my hands a bit. Put it on my brush, but then warm it up on my hand a bit. Just so it's not like directly going like on my face right away, but I'm gonna just take this and apply it everywhere where I could use some warmth. I'm just applying right now, and then we'll go in and blend. Okay, here we go. Just blend in the product, giving me a more alive look. There you go. Do I have a blush? Did I take a blush? Girl, get your life together. I knew I was missing something. It's okay. You know what? I don't know if I'm gonna even use one today because I feel like I just want a little no makeup. So we'll just use a little bronzer to bring us back to life. I like to take what's left, go down the neck, and really sculpt out the face a bit. I really like this haircut because I feel like it complements like my bone structure a little nicer, which I'm super into. I love this brush. I need to wash it though. This is the BK Beauty 101. I feel like everyone uses this. It is such a good brush, but I need to wash mine. It's very dirty. That's kind of gross. Okay, what would be next here? I think I'm gonna take a little concealer, just pop this underneath my eyes a little. This is the Rare Beauty one. I'm gonna take this here a little bit too, which is a little crazy, but just to really sculpt the face a bit. Because why not? We are trying new things today. Are we? I've done that before. I'm just gonna use my sponge to press that in. I like to take whatever is left over and pop on my eyelids. It's just something I feel like is really useful. I'm gonna take this down here. See how it kind of like brightens up the area a bit and sculpts that area? Like, look how nice that looks, right? I'm gonna take my sponge now and just lightly go over the bronzer, press everything in, and make sure we are even. I don't have my mirror, so that kind of sucks. Man, I didn't really come to this video super prepared. I'm just gonna take what's left on my hand and just see if I can apply a little bit more. See, like, I'm a little bit alive now. I'm a little bit alive. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder with the e.l.f. Puff. And we're just gonna place this all over. So I'm gonna take the back of the powder and just kind of apply and get it all over the puff, and just use this under the eye. This has like a nice little glow to it, the Halo Glow Powder. Take a little bit more. I just want to set under my eyes, maybe brighten them up a little bit. And then what's ever left, I'm just gonna take all over and just set what's needed to be set. Around my nose. I really like the way this is turning out. Very healthy. Do you see like that nice glow? I feel like this could be used as a very subtle highlight sometimes too. It's really nice. This is a pink one. It looks like this. And I think there are several colors. This is the light one. It's so nice. It's that time of year. I'm going to need to fix my nose. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Oh no. Oh, let's buy a new one. This is such a good palette. What the heck? Oh man, I just got makeup all over my new leggings. Okay, but this is the palette from Wet n Wild, the Marilyn Monroe palette. And I'm just gonna take this brown color and just run it through my crease and all over my lid here. Oh my god, I cannot believe that just happened. Again, I'm just gonna take that and run it through my crease. I'm not really doing a great job. I'm just gonna blend like crazy now, just to work it in a bit. Just to have a little brown, a little definition on the eyes. That just like ruined the whole, no, that looks fine. Why does that look weird? I don't know. I'm gonna pull you in a little. Hello. Oh wait, that way I could see a little bit better because I don't have my mirror and I'm literally using you to judge how it looks. Okay. This is fine. It's fine. Again, we're just blending in the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with I just feel like I need to shape these eyebrows up. This is the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. We're just gonna shape the brows a bit. There we go. I'm gonna go in with this, no, where'd it go? The Soda Find mascara. I remember liking this a few weeks ago. And just use this on my lashes. Oh my god, I made a mess with that eyeshadow. Great. And I'm just gonna define the lashes with this. Lightly go over my upper lashes. I don't use any mascara on my lower lashes, but if I was, I would probably use something like this. This is the brush. But I do like this mascara. Again, I like very, like, you know, I like the Benefit Fan Fest. I like very simple mascaras, if that makes sense. That stay on, that, you know, don't crumble, that separate my lashes really well, hold a curl. That's what I'm looking for. Do you think I need blush? I don't know. I think we're gonna be blush free today because this is a gym work from home day. So I don't think I really need that, but I guess to each their own, right? I like it though. It's kind of like fresh. I'm gonna take a little lip liner. This is from e.l.f. It's their creamy lip liners. And I'm just gonna kind of put this all over my lips. It's not really to line them, it's just to fill them in. And then take my e.l.f. gloss. I feel like we're really close right now. Let me pull you back. And do that, and I'm kind of done. I'm gonna take my dewy spray from Catrice. Yeah, I love Catrice. And shake it up. Whew. And I like to lightly take my sponge and just press press everything in just one more time before I'm done, just to make sure everything is nice and blended around the mouth, forehead, where I contoured a bit, any extra product that doesn't need to be there. Look how pretty. Okay, this is good. I like it. We did good. Okay. All right, my loves. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. You are awesome. Do not forget it. If you like my video, you like to hang out with me, subscribe. We'll do more videos that are more exciting than this. But if you just needed someone to hang out with, I'm so glad that you're here and you stayed till the end. I love you. You're amazing. Have an amazing day. You're worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Do not forget it. I will not let you forget it. Like, subscribe, say hey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.